Good morning, children. Today I am here to start a new chapter with you in civics. This is Panchayati Raj. Now, what do you mean by the word Panchayat? The word Panchayat means a group of five people of the village that form the local government. It looks after the basic requirements and facilities of the at the village level. The panchayats are important in India. Why? Because most of the population of India lives in villages and their main occupation is still agriculture. Now, according to the 73rd Amendment Act, what is the aim of this act? The aim of this act was to involve the local people in the rural development project through active participation that involves decision making at the smallest level. Now, how do the elections in the panchayat takes place? The State Election Commission conducts elections for the panchayat after every 5 years, and seats are reserved for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, as well as women. The structure of Panchayati Raj is a very distinct one. As you can see, it works at three different levels: the Gram Panchayat at the village level, the Block Samiti or the Panchayat Samiti at the block level, and the Zila Parishad at the district level. The first body here is the Gram Sabha. It is body of people living in the area covered by the panchayat. The members are responsible for implementation of socio-economic developmental programs at the village level. Next is Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat comprises of ward members or Panch or Sarpanch as well as Up Pradhan and Secretary. The Gram Sabha elects the Pradhan or the Sarpanch who is responsible for holding the meetings to the Panchayat. Now, what are the functions of a Gram Panchayat? There are various functions associated with a Gram Panchayat. They are construction, maintenance of roads, drainage, park, development of agriculture, education and healthcare, carrying out schemes for primary education, employment, immunization, etc., organizing health camps, sports, and cultural programs as well. Now, for carrying out all these functions, the Gram Panchayat needs funds. So, from where does it get its funds from? It gets its funds from taxes on establishment like houses, shops, fairs, etc. Fees on sale and purchase of property and cattle, grants from the state government. Now there is a different kind of panchayat for the village at the village level. This is called a Nyaya Panchayat. What is a Nyaya Panchayat? It is a village court to settle minor disputes and provide speedy justice to the people. There is normally one Nyaya Panchayat for every 5 villages. Gram Panchayat elects the members of the Nyaya Panchayat. Now at the block level, the population where the population of more than 20 have they have the block samitis. At the block level, the Panchayati Raj is known as the block samiti, Janpad Panchayat or Panchayat Samiti. It has different names at different states like Kshetra Samiti in Uttar Pradesh and Anchalik Parishad in Bengal. The Pramukh or the head is responsible for the daily work of the block. The BDO is an important government officer at the block level. The full form of BDO is the Block Development Officer. Now, what are the various functions of the block samiti? The various functions of block samiti involves giving advice to the gram panchayats in the fields of agriculture, animal husbandry, healthcare, etc. Setting up rural industries with guidance of extension officer. Extension officers are the special officers who give guidance to the rural people on different issues. Now, looking into primary education, opening night schools and shelters for the people, developing and maintaining sewage system and ensuring safe drinking water to all is also an important function of the block samiti. Now, the funds for the block samiti comes from taxes from the houses, water, electricity, land and cattle, revenue from leasing out of samiti land, and funds and aids given by the state government. Next is Zila Parishad. It is the apex body or the highest body of the Panchayati Raj at the district level and looks after the development of the whole district. It comprises of the following members. They are the chairman, members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, members of Vidhan Sabha, women representatives, representatives from the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. Various functions associated with Zilla Parishad are supervising and coordinating the activities of Block Samiti, supplementing project or implementing project under 5-year plans of the government, then advising the state government on matters of district development, looking into the accounts of the block samiti and allocating government funds. Now, what are the main source of income of Zilla Parishad? Aids given by the government, tax on water, electricity, markets, fairs, leased out houses and shops. What is the role of state government? This is very important matter. The role of the state government in the working of Panchayati Raj. What do the state government do? It has following role in the working of the Panchayati Raj. The plan it plans, but the state government make plans, rules and regulations for the Panchayati Raj institutions. It dissolves the panchayat which are not working properly or functioning properly. It coordinates with the Zila Parishad for development of the district. It as well recruits the technical, skilled and executive staffs at district and block levels. It provides grants in aid to carry out welfare programs at the village level. Thank you, children.